I'm Tyler Utzko with Allegis Corporation, and you're watching Access Better Thinking.
Let's go over the 3M Scotch-Weld low-odor acrylic adhesive 8700 series. It's a two-part structural acrylic adhesive that's non-flammable and has minimal odor to ensure a safer work environment. These improved products also provide excellent structural strength, peel and impact resistance, and are reliable in cold temperatures. The 8700 series can also be used as a quick and easy substitute for welding and have between a 5 and 23 minute work life and a 6 to 25 minute time to handling strength. Common applications include attaching, mounting and trim, panel to frame bonding, or used as a replacement for mechanical fasteners.
Trust Allegis Corporation as a 3M preferred converter for innovative solutions.
To learn which product in the 8700 series would work best for you, reach out to our experts through allegiscorp.com.